coaching, meal plans, and merch, check out khpfitnessandtraining.com. My fitness seekers all over the world, KHP Fitness here. Really quick video about the importance of a weight scale. Now, whenever I make meal plans for clients, I tell them getting a meal plan and a scale would probably be the best thing for you, just because you can try to eyeball it, but a lot of times you're going to go over and those calories add up. So going over your calories is not a good thing if you're really trying to get and pinpoint a particular weight or a particular body fat percentage. So it's really good to be accurate, whether you're weighing out ounces, grams, milliliters. It's very important. So let me go ahead and show you how accurate it is. The accuracy, I got a couple of chickpeas here. It's showing at 3 milliliters. It's doing it in milliliters. This is just an example. Usually you're going to do it in grams and ounces. But let me add these, because I add one at a time, how it changes the scale. Ain't that crazy? But yeah, that's just an example of how accurate these scales are. So if you get yourself a good scale for about $14, you're gonna go ahead and save yourself some time, and then you won't have to worry about it so much. And once you have your macros down, which is important to know, you're going to go ahead and use that to basically move ahead, and you can just track those for a while, and if you need to switch it up, you go right back to them. But it's not something that you got to check every single day. That's why I know a lot of people get a little crazy about. So yeah, that was just a quick example of how I weigh out, how I'm so accurate on mine, and what has really worked for me over time as well. So that's everything, guys. I just wanted to go ahead and give you that. Very important to get yourself a weight scale if you're really accurate and serious about your diet. Or I should say, serious about what you eat, your caloric intake. Because diet is such a cruel word. Everybody uses it to say, oh, I'm on this diet, I'm on that diet. Your diet is what you take in, guys. That's what you take in. It's not the particular regimen that you're on. That's what you're actually talking about. But the diet is the items that you take in. That is your diet. Okay? So that's why they say paleo diet, all of that stuff, the vegan diet. It's what you take in. Your caloric intake is a better way to say it, because diet has kind of been demonized. All right, that's your boy from khpfitness.com. It's not where you train, it's how you train, and you have to eat correctly too. So it's kind of not where you eat, it's how you eat as well. Boom, look at that. Throwing out catchphrases all day. I'm gonna get them t-shirts. All right, you guys have a good day.